Farm Bill 3, the Gazette of India, published by Authority, Ministry of Law and Justice. The following Act of Parliament received the assent of the President on 26 September 2020 and is hereby published for general information. The Essential Commodities Amendment Act 2020. An act further to amend the Essential Commodities Act 1955. Be it enacted by Parliament in 71st year of the Republic of India as follows. This Act may be called the Essential Commodities Amendment Act 2020. It shall be deemed to have come into force on 5th day of June 2020. In Section 3 of Essential Commodities Act 1955, after subsection 1, the following subsections shall be inserted, namely: notwithstanding anything contained in subsection 1, the supply of such foods stuffs including cereals, pulses, potatoes, onion, edible oilseeds and oils as the central government may by notification in the official gazette specify may be regulated only under extraordinary circumstances, which may include war, famine, extraordinary prices, race, and natural calamities of grave nature. Any action on imposing stock limits shall be based on price rise, and an order for regulating stock limit of any agricultural produce may be issued under this act only if there is 100% increase in the retail price of horticulture produce or 50% increase in retail price of non-perishable agricultural foodstuffs over the pricing prevailing immediately preceding 12 months or average retail price of last 5 years, whichever is lower, provided that such order for regulation stock limit shall not apply to a processor or value chain participant or any agricultural produce if the stock limit of such person does not exceed overall ceiling of installed capacity of processing or the demand for export in case of an exporter, provided further that nothing contained in the subsection shall apply to any order relating to the public distribution system or the targeted public distribution system made by the government under this act or under any other law for the time being in force. Explanation: the expression value chain participant in relation to any agricultural product means and includes a set of participants from production of any agricultural produce in the field of final consumption involving processing, packaging, storage, transport and distribution, where at each stage value is added to the product. The Essential Commodities Amendment Ordinance 2020 is hereby repealed. Notwithstanding such repeal, anything done or any action taken under the Essential Commodities Act 1955 as amended by the said ordinance shall be deemed to have been come done or taken under the corresponding provisions of this act as amended by this act.